Hello and welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Paul Wilson. Today, what we're going to be doing is a VLOOKUP demonstration. What is VLOOKUP? First, VLOOKUP is a function built into Excel that is created to process data that is organized in columns, or this is short for vertical lookup. For the value specified, the function will provide the corresponding value from another column in the same row. So for my example, I have a table of cryptocurrencies I would like to look up the name for based upon the symbol. So let's take a look at my table real quick. All right, so here it is. I will be performing this function out of M2, and as you see, I set a drop down with all the data from column A. Okay, and then what's going to be returned is the name. So how is this done? Well, let's go back into my sheet here and let's talk about, all right, the syntax is going to be VLOOKUP equals VLOOKUP. Lookup value is going to be the value being searched for. So then the table array is going to be the data that is being searched for the lookup value. The leftmost column of the array is searched by the VLOOKUP function. Then we have a column number index, which is, this means the data, it's going to specify the column number which you would like to return a value from. And the range lookup is an optional logical argument that describes what should be returned by the function in the event that it is unable to look up or locate the lookup value. And I'll put some information on the website about this for you guys to check out. All right, so back to my example. How it works. All right, so in my example, I said equals VLOOKUP M2. We're going to look up the value from M2 into this range of data, the complete range of data. Leave no stone unturned. So I have that selected. It's going to be A2 through J101, as you could see. And then the column that we are returning data from is going to be column 2. And we do not want anything but the exact match, so I'm going to select false. That's our optional logical argument. Selecting true would provide close matches, but that's not the objective of this. Maybe we'll try close matches another time or something like that. So we know up here that BTC USD is Bitcoin USD, right? So I'm going to go to the top of my list. I'm going to select that, and you will see that field N2 has populated with Bitcoin US. I will do the same thing again, and you'll see that it changed to Ripple USD. Now, this is all cool and dandy, but the one thing I don't like about it is it puts, a function in the it puts, our function in the sheet. Well, what this channel is about is making it a little bit more complex in that we're gonna put our VLOOKUP into this workbook as a function. So I'm going to go into Visual Basic. All right. And I'm going to go into Sheet 1. I'm going to select Worksheet. And I don't want selection change. I want, what do I need? What do I need? Was it worksheet change or worksheet selection change, worksheet change? Like I'm doing this code on sheet 1 because I want to make this function do my VLOOKUP without having to put the function into to the sheet. So what's going to activate this function? So I'm going to do this up here. All right. All right, here's what I did. I've declared result as a string. I declared the sheet as a worksheet. I set the sheet to active workbooks sheets sheet 1. Result is going to be active workbook sheets VLOOKUP sheet range A. No, we're looking up range M2. And then I want to do one more thing. I want to say that active workbook dot sheets sheet 1 dot range. I don't even know for sure if I'm doing this right, but it'll tell us. That's the beauty of this code. N2, oops, will equal result. All right. So I'm going to delete my function out of there. And as you noticed, everything appeared right away. So it appears that my code works. The beauty of it is when you go into that field, it equals what you put. So there's two ways that you could do the VLOOKUP function. I really like doing the VLOOKUP function that way in my sheet. Um, I mean, it's a real simple code. It worked like a charm. You can't beat it with a bat. If you like this tutorial, if you are um, feeling this content, feel free to subscribe to the channel because it can only benefit you by notifying you by when I'm coming out with new content. Also, click the like button because that shares the content with somebody else that may also benefit from it. And also, if you have something that you would like me to look into, or you have thought, an idea, question, or comment, leave a comment below. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for watching and have a great day.